Hey guys, this is Dr. Tejveer Singh and I welcome you back to my channel which is Dr. Tej Vlogs ਤੇ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਗਾਇਜ਼ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੌਲਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ 3v2 ਦੀ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ 'ਚ ਖੜੇ ਹਾਂ ਬਾਈ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਲੋਕ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਆ
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੋਈ ਸਟਾਰ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸ਼ੂਟਿੰਗ ਤੇ
ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟਲੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸਮਾਰਟ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ ਕਸੂਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਭੁਲੇਖਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਬੰਦਾ ਆਟੋਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਦੇ
ਇਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਥੋੜਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਓਕੇ ਸੋ ਗਾਇਜ਼ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਅਮੇਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਹਾਂ which is Donner and it is in 3v2 only which is inspired truly by German food ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਡੋਨਰਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡੋਨਰ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਉਣੇ ਆ which is actually the first time in Mohali I guess
Yes.
right if I'm not wrong ਕਿ ਕੋਈ falafels and pita bread and donors introduce ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ and I am really excited about it. How about you? Are you excited?
ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ ਆਈਵ ਨੈਵਰ ਬੀਨ ਟੂ ਜਰਮਨੀ
Yeah.
ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਫੈਂਟਸੀਜ਼ ਇੱਥੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਪੈਣੀਆਂ
This guy is sick, guys.
Yeah.
You getting me? Yeah. Nice. Thank you.
ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਫੋਨ
आपके पापा जी ने सिखाया था टेस्ट चेक कर गोलगप्पे
ਅਰੇ
तो
ਕੀ ਬਾਤ
Ramu is here with us. Ramu,
हम आपके पति
Ramu.
हम भी आपके फैन हो गए पति
Thank you, Ramu. ये देखिए हमें हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स रोड पे भी मिल रहे हैं भाई रामू
ग्रुप पे मिल रहे हैं
ये करिए मुंडा स्टार बन गया है दिस इज एक्चुअली टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल
ਦੇਖੋ
And I'm really excited now.
ਸਟਾਰਟ ਗੱਪ ਤੋਂ ਕਰੀ ਸੀ ਸੱਚੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਸ਼ੂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਗਈ
मतलब actually we started with lot of fako now it's becoming real the people are actually stopping and seeing us and appreciating us which is really good ਤੇ ਚਲੋ guys ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਡੋਨਰ ਪਲੇਸ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ which is really good and it is run by a very humble man let's go eat some pitas and falafels and we'll meet you
ਡੋਨਰ
It's in 3v2 guys ਤੇ ਚਲੋ ਚਲਿਏ It's a really nice place yaar it's a really nice place ਬਾਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ it's really good So guys, we are at the Donors ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ 3v2 ਦੀ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ which is a really nice place ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਐਂਬੀਐਂਸ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ it's really good and ਮੇਰੇ ਤਾਂ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਆਈ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ basically this is shawarma right in Europe this is doner okay it's doner and but in Middle East they call it shawarma yeah okay so ਭਾਈ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ it's really awesome ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ and they are applying paste on it something Seven ਕੀ ਕਹੇਗਾ ਫਿਰ what you will have
ਫਲਾਫਲ
you will have falafel chicken donor ਖਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਆਏ ਆ ਤਾਂ chicken donor ਖਾਣਾ ਹੈ right ਭਾਈ we have to chicken donor please ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਲਾਈਕ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ
ਸਮੈਲਸ ਗੁੱਡ
ਓ ਯਾ ਇਟ ਲੁਕਸ ਗੁੱਡ ਇਟ ਸਮੈਲਸ ਗੁੱਡ ਬਾਕੀ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਡਸ ਇਟ ਟੇਸਟ ਗੁੱਡ ਰਾਈਟ ਓਬਵੀਅਸਲੀ ਅੱਜ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਅੱਛੀ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਟੇਸਟ ਵੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਹੀ ਕਰੂਗਾ ਬਾਕੀ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਦੈਨ we'll see how it goes. So guys, ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ toner ਲੈ ਕੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਆ ਗਏ, which seems really good. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. Let's open it. This is my chicken toner. Okay. Have a look. It's really nice, यार. तन्ने क्या लग रहा है?
Shredded chicken कैंड लग रहा है बहुत.
मतलब from its look ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੱਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਟੇਸਟੀ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ, ਬਟ this is fantastic. Yeah, it's really nice. ਮਤਲਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੋਹਾਲੀ ਚ ਡੋਨਰ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਯੂਰਪ ਦੀ ਫੀਲ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਪੂਰੀ. ਪਰ ਯਾਰ ਇਹ ਮੂੰਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਵੇੜ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. ਲੈਟਸ ਟਰਾਈ ਅਨਦਰ ਬਾਈਟ. It's so juicy. मतलब it's really very juicy. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. It drips. ये सारा जूस ड्रिप कर रहा है. It's very juicy.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਸਪਾਈਸਿਸ ਇਟਸ ਕਾਈਂਡ ਆਫ ਹੈਲਦੀ.
फ्रेश वेजीज ने, ब्रेड, सोurdough ब्रेड, फ्रेश कट चिकन, थोड़ी सी सॉसेस, ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ी जी सॉसेस सीगियाँ, विच इज़ रियली गुड. इन्ना बड़ा छेती नहीं खत्म होना, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਖਤਮ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ. ਸੋ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਲਿਟਲ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਯੋਰਸ. ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਿਸਨਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸੋਗੇ ਜੀ?
Well, nothing much to say. I'm not from the food industry.
Okay.
You'll be surprised.
Right.
I'm basically a chemical engineer, and
You're a chemical engineer?
Yes, I am a chemical
Okay.
engineer from Chandigarh,
Right.
And then I'm an MBA in corporate finance,
Right.
and I've come back from US.
Okay.
So that's my background.
Which is really amazing. Like,
It's different, yes.
Okay. So, how you made into food industry?
Well, I own a factory. I'm actually in shoe business.
Okay.
I go to Europe a lot for that because
Okay.
I'm an exporter. So
Yeah.
for the last 15-20 years, I've been doing that.
Ji,
So
okay.
whenever I went to Europe, I would always end up having different kinds of cuisines.
Right.
And in Germany, where I work the most, the most popular street food is doner.
Doner. Yeah.
And hence the idea of doing donors in India came into my mind because whenever I would come back, I would crave for donors,
Yeah. Right.
but I would never find them.
Ji.
So that was how it started.
So that inspired you to open up
The
your.
decision to start this here
Okay.
was taken somewhere in Halle.
Okay.
Halle is a very small city in Germany.
Ji, right.
And I was sitting there with my daughter and we were talking about some new project.
Okay.
And then we realized that there is a project right in our plate because we were having donors at that time.
Yeah. Right.
And that's where it started.
Okay. So, is this your first restaurant here?
This is our first
In
restaurant.
Chandigarh?
Yes, it's going to be a multi-locational, multi-city thing.
Okay. Right. So I just tasted your food. I just had chicken doner, which was actually very tasty. It was so juicy. So, can you tell us how your people make it here?
Well, it's not easy. We did a research work for like more than a year.
Okay.
When everybody was locked up in this COVID situation, we
Ji.
were actually working in our base kitchen,
That's the
And
perfect way to
doing the
utilize
trials,
your time, right?
Doing the trials,
Okay.
and it was, somehow we couldn't catch the flavors.
Okay.
Finally, I had to send 2 people to Germany
Right.
for training.
Okay.
They worked in a donor shop in Hamburg.
Okay.
And when they came back, and still we were missing a few flavors.
Okay.
Then some chefs from Germany came to our base kitchen,
Ji.
and they fixed the product.
Okay.
And yes, that's why you get the flavors that you get, because the product is herby.
Yeah. Right.
It's not spicy.
जी बिल्कुल.
So herbs give their own European flavor.
Yeah, right.
India is about spices. Europe is about herbs.
बिल्कुल exactly.
So that's where we got the herbs from, and that's where the flavors come from.
ठीक है जी. So, sir, my very next question is, what's your specialty of here?
Well, my name is a specialty in itself, donors. Hands down, donors. That's where we
Okay.
come from.
Right.
And you know, it is made on sourdough bread,
Okay.
which is a very special bread.
Yeah, right.
That we bake in our own base kitchen.
Okay.
Then of course we have 3-4 sauces that go into it.
So that means everything you prepare here.
Yeah, not here, but in our base kitchen.
Yeah,
This
okay.
is more of an assembly point.
Okay.
And the sauces I'm telling you are yogurt-based sauces.
Okay.
Herby yogurt-based.
Right.
So yogurt healthy, herbs healthy. So
Yeah, right.
so the sauces are healthy.
Okay.
Then we put lots of veggies in them, which are
Okay.
ice cold.
Yeah, right.
And yes, that gives you the crunch when you bite into
Yeah,
it.
the vegetables were actually very crunchy.
And then of course the chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken is again chicken breast.
Yeah,
And
okay.
you're a doctor, so chicken breast,
Right.
high in proteins, low
It's
in
the-
fats.
Yes. Actually,
And
the
of-
very proteinaceous part of the chicken is the chicken breast.
Yeah, and then of course it is marinated in yogurt,
Okay.
loaded with herbs.
Right.
That's again where you get that yummy flavor of the chicken.
And thing they apply over it.
That is basically cinnamon olive oil
Okay.
combination.
Right.
Yeah.
So that actually gives the actual cinnamon taste. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਾਅਦ ਚੋਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ which I was telling you about. ਤੇ sir, I really enjoyed the food.
Thank you.
ਤੇ what's the future plans?
Well, we already have done extensions of most of our product lines.
Okay.
Last 3-4 months we were here, we realized that people want a lot of, they are used to having pita breads.
Yeah, right.
So sourdough bread is there, but they wanted pita wraps. So we worked on that, and then finally we have donor pita wraps.
Yeah, right.
Where ingredients are the same as in the donor. The only additional thing is pickled veggies, which we add to pita wraps.
Ji.
And the catch is, the USP is
Okay.
that the pita bread is made fresh in our
Okay.
wood-fired oven. So you order a pita wrap,
Ji.
we will make fresh pita wrap bread for you. That pita bread.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah,
Like,
and that's-
you can get everything fresh here. Sir, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਪੀਟਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬ੍ਰੈਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਟਸ ਕਾਈਂਡ ਆਫ ਅਰੇਬਿਕ ਫੂਡ
Yeah.
ਤੇ
Yes.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾਲ ਹਮਸ ਵੀ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰੋਗੇ
Hummus is already there, sir.
ਓਕੇ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਹਮਸ ਰਾਈਟ
Hummus is given with pita wraps.
Okay, right. What else you want, guys? They have everything. Okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, अपना नाम रह गया जी
My name is G.S. Tulsi, Gurvinder Singh Tulsi.
गुरविंदर सिंह तुलसी
Yeah.
ठीक है जी so thank you so much sir for your
Most
time
welcome, sir.
and we enjoyed your food and the ambience here we actually really liked it
Thank you so much, sir.
sir what would you like to say to our viewers ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ
Come on in. We are very genuine product makers. We focus a lot on ingredients. We are all about flavors, and there are no shortcuts in life. So whatever we are offering you here is through a lot of hard work. And yes, the products are there. Have a bite, then you will know what we are talking about.
thank you sir thank you so much for your time
Well,
thank you
thank you.
I really liked the food there. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਗੋ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਡੋਨਰ ਗਾਰਡਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਡੋਨਰ ਦੇ ਫੈਨ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਬਾਬਸ ਦੇ ਫੈਨ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫਲਾਫਲ ਦੇ ਫੈਨ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੀਟਾ ਦੇ ਫੈਨ ਨੇ ਹਮਸ ਦੇ ਫੈਨ ਨੇ ਗੋ ਦੇਅਰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਫਰੈਸ਼ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਦੇ ਹੈਵ ਇਟਾਲੀਅਨ ਬੀਨਸ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਅਮੇਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇ ਗਾਇਜ਼ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਨਸਪਾਇਰ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੁਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮੋਟੀਵੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਲਾਈਕ ਆਵਰ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਆਵਰ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼
ਤੇ subscribe our channel.
subscribe to our channel